right, Daddy. This is Ezra swimming.
Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Look at me.
Good job, Ezra.
Want to show him how you can roll over?
All right, let's see it, buddy.
Can you try to roll? Put your head. Roll your head back. Ready? Let's roll. Ready? Go. Oh.
Good job. Look at those legs. Yay! You are. There you go.
Show them how you use your arms.
You got it. Ready?
Roll. Roll. Use your legs.
Watch this thing.
Okay.
Dude, you're awesome. Say bye, Daddy.
Bye, Daddy.
We love you. We miss you.
Love you.